Very good morning, student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal. As a mathematics teacher, I representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda. Student, today's topic is the transpose of matrix. I hope you getting the proper definition of the transpose of matrix. Today's topic. We will discussing class 12th mathematics chapter number 3 matrices exercise number 3.3 theorem number first. If A be any matrix, what is the mean of the matrix? That means any type of matrix, just we taking the 2 by 2 matrix 4 3 3 and 5, both elements are different. We taking 4 3 2 and 5, order of matrix 2 by 2. If A any matrix, then A dash. What is the mean of the A dash? The transpose of matrix. If A is any matrix, that means transpose of matrix represented by A dash. A dash may be, according to the some book, A power T. T, that means a transpose of matrix. So transpose of matrix represented by A dash. If A is any matrix, then A dash whole dash will be equal of A. ठीक है, I will take any example. A will be equal of 4 3 2 5. So solution A dash. What is the mean of the A dash, student? A dash, that means a transpose, row convert into column or convert into row. ठीक है, first row and second row. Here first row is the 4 and 3 and second row is the 2 and 5. Then A dash will be first row convert into first column and second row convert into second column. ठीक है, then again transpose of matrix will be equal of first row convert into first column and second row convert into second column. Equation number first, equation number second and equation number third. By equation first and third, with the use of the example 4 3 2 5, 4 3 2 5, that means RHS are same, so we can write A dash whole dash will be equal of A. I think student you getting the proper solution. ठीक है, by use of suitable example. If A be any matrix 2 by 2 3 by 3 2 by 3, any type of the matrix, if A be any matrix, then we can say A dash whole dash, that means a transpose, then again transpose will be equal of simple matrix. In the another form, transpose will be cancelled by the transpose. ठीक है, for example, let A be any matrix. Let we consider A will be equal of 3 2 5 4 9 2. The order of matrix A will be equal of 3 cross 2. Then we have to find A dash. A dash, that means a transpose. The first row, second row, first row convert into first column and second row convert into second column. There R1, R2 and R3. Order will be equivalent of 3 cross 2. So result, think 2 cross 3, 2 row and 3 columns, that means 2 3, here 3 2. So we can say if A be any matrix of order m cross n, then A dash will be equal of n cross m. That means the order will be changed, row convert into column and column convert into row. For example, just like a example. Now after the theorem number first, we have to property A dash whole dash will be equal of A. ठीक है, for example A will be equal of 4 3 2 5, then we getting the A dash, then we getting again dash of A dash. By equation the first and third, we can say A dash whole dash will be equal of A. ठीक है, for the exercise number 3.3, we have to learn one property and one theorem. Theorem is A dash whole dash will be equal of A, that means a row and column convert into column and row in the case of the transpose. And property that means a transpose will be cancelled by the transpose. Student, question number first, if A will be equal of matrices 1, 2, 4, minus 3, then find the value of A dash. Basic question, simple question, objective like question is there, solution is here. ठीक है, given that A will be equivalent of 1, 2, 4 and minus 3, so A dash, what is the meaning of the A dash? What is the meaning of the A dash? That means a row convert into column, maybe column convert into row. We can write first row as a first column, second row as a second column. I hope student you getting the proper solution of the question number first, exercise number 3.3. Now we moving with the second question. If A will be equivalent minus 1, 2, 3 and B will be equivalent minus 2, minus 1, minus 4, then find A dot B whole dash. A dot B whole dash, that means we have to multiply between the matrices A and B, then result will be transpose. So A equal to minus 1, 2, 3, solution is there, and B equal to minus 2, minus 1, minus 4. A dot B, how we multiply? First row multiply with the first column. First row multiply with the first column. So here A in the form, how many row? 3 row. And how many columns? Single column. And the order of B, how many row? 1 row. And how many columns? 3 columns. So result of multiplication between the matrices A and B will be equal 3 cross 1, 1 cross 3. The last of first and first of last will be same, so multiply is okay, and result in the form 3 by 3. So A dot B, first row with the first column, minus minus plus. First row, second column, minus, then 4. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Column is finished. So we taking second row of first column, minus 4, minus 2 and minus 8, minus 6, minus 3 and minus 12. So we have to find out A dot B whole dash. A dot B whole dash, that means a row convert into column, second row convert into second column, and final row, third row convert into third column. I hope you getting the proper solution of the question number second of the exercise number 3.3 matrices under the class 12th mathematics. One more time, student, we taking the another example, question number third. If A equal to this and B equal to this, then find A plus B whole dash. What is the meaning of the A plus B whole dash? That means A and B addition, then transpose the matrix. Given that A will be equivalent of 4, 2, 7, 9 and B will be equivalent of 4, 3, 2, 9. Now we have to firstly we have to find A plus B, plus that means a simple addition between the matrices. For the addition or subtraction we need same order of matrices, that means a 2 by 2 and a 2 by 2. Very good. Now addition, first element will be add with the first element, first, second with the second, third with the third, and final will be final. Now we have to find A plus B whole dash. Student, whole dash that means a row. Row will be convert into column. First row convert into first column, and second row convert into second column. I hope you getting the all solution number first, solution number second and solution number third, both are based on the concept of the transpose of matrix. Student, we taking the another example. If A equal to matrices 3, 5, 2 and B will be equal of matrices 1, 0, 4, then verify. What is the mean of the verify? Verify, that means we have to prove also. Show that A, B whole transpose will be equivalent of B transpose dot A transpose T, that means a transpose. In the another way we can write A, B whole dash will be equivalent of B dash A dash. In the previous lecture, in the previous video, we seen A dot B may be not equal to B dot A, and the order of A will be 3 cross 1 and order of B will be equal of 1 cross 3. That means 3 cross 1 cross 1 cross 3. The last of first matrix and first of last matrix both are same. That means multiplication between the A and B is allowed, and result in the form 3 by 3. Helpful hint for us. Now solution time for solution. What is the demand of the question? A dot B whole transpose will be equal of D B transpose into A transpose. So given that A will be equal 3, 5, 2 and B will be equal 1, 0, 4. So A dot B, what is the mean of the A dot B? That means a simple multiplication between the two matrices. First row multiply with the first column. First row multiply with the first column. 3 1 ja 3, 3 0 0, 3 4 ja 12. Now time to take second row. 5 1 ja 5, 5 0 0, 5 4 ja 20, 2 1 ja 2, 2 0 0 and 2 4 ja 8. A dash B is here. Now A dash B whole transpose will be row convert into column. 3 0 12, 5 0 20, 2 0 8 will be equal of LHS. Now we searching for the RHS. What is the mean of the RHS? B transpose dot A transpose. So since B will be equal of 1 0 4, that means a single row. So B transpose will be equal of row convert into column 1 0 4 and A will be equal of 3 5 2. So A transpose will be equal the single column converting to single row. 3 5 2. Students, we getting B transpose and A transpose. According to the demand of question, B transpose multiply by A transpose. B transpose, that means a 1 0 4 multiply 3 5 2. First row multiply with the first column. 1 into 3 will be equal of 3. 1 into 5 will be equal of 5. 1 into, I hope you getting the proper solution. 3 5 2. Now 0 multiply by 3, that means a 0. 0 multiply by 5, 0 multiply by 2. 0 0 0 and here 0 0 0. Now 4 3 times 12, 4 5s are 20 and 4 2s are 8. A B transpose A transpose. Equation number second and equation number first. देखिए by comparison equation number first and second. By compare equation number first and second, the RHS will be same, so we can write LHS also will be equal. A dot B whole transpose will be equal of B transpose dot A transpose according to the question. ठीक है. Now again we recall the question. If A equal to this and B equal to this, then we show that A dot B whole transpose will be equal of B transpose into A transpose. According to the demand of question, we getting A dot B. A dot B. According to the question, we getting B dash and A dash. Now for the LHS, we have to find out A dot B whole transpose. A dot B also we getting transpose, that means a row convert into column. First row convert into first column, second row convert into second column, and third row convert into third column. Naming equation number first. Now for the RHS, B transpose dot A transpose. What is the mean of the B transpose dot A transpose? That means a B multiply with A. B multiply with A. The order, what is the order of 3 cross 1? 3 cross 1 and 1 cross 3. That means a result in the form 3 cross 3. So by the use of the equation number first and second, we can say the RHS are same, so LHS will be same, hence proved. Student, next question is there. If A equal to matrices 1 minus 2 and 3 minus 4 2 and 5 and matrices B will be equal of 1 3 2 0 minus 1 and 1, then show that A B whole dash will be equivalent of B dash dot A dash. Solution, simple solution. ठीक है, according to the demand of question, firstly we have to get A dot B. Given that A equal to 1 minus 2 3 and minus 4 2 5 and B equal to 1 3 2 0 and minus 1 comma 1. So A dot B. Student, what is the mean of the dot? That means a multiplication. How we multiply between the matrices? First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, then second row first, second row third, and so on. 1 3 2 0 minus 1 and 1. So according to the multiplication rule, first row multiply by the first column. A dot B equal to 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3. First row multiply with the second column. 1 3 ja 3 minus 2 into 0, 3 1 ja 3. Second row multiply with the first column. Minus 4 2 2 ja 4, 5 1 ja 5. First row multiply with the second column. Minus 12 plus 0 plus 5. Student, 7 minus 1 will be equal of minus 6. Now 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Minus 4 cancel by the plus 5, minus 5. 12 minus 5 will be equal of minus 7. ठीक है, A dot B. What is the demand of question? We have to find A dot B whole dash. A dot B whole dash, that means a transpose of matrix. Transpose, that means a first row convert into first column, second row convert into second column. Student, we naming equation number first. Now first part of given question solve. Now solution for the second part. What is the demand of the second part? B dash dot A dash. Since B will be equal 1 3 2 0 minus 1 and 1, so B dash will be equal to, what is the mean of the dash? That means a transpose. Row convert into column, row convert into column, row convert into column, and A dash. What is the mean of the A dash? Here A equal to 1 minus 2 3 and minus 4 2 and 5. So A dash will be equivalent row convert into column, row convert into column. Equation number second and equation number third. So we have to find B dash dot A dash. B dash, that means 1 2 minus 1 3 0 1 multiply with 1 minus 4 -2 and 2 and 3 and 5. ठीक है. Now next is here b dash dot a dash will be equal. ठीक है. फर्स्ट रो मल्टीप्लाई विद द फर्स्ट कॉलम. फर्स्ट रो मल्टीप्लाई विद द फर्स्ट कॉलम. 1 टाइम 1 इक्विवेलेंट 1. 2 2 जा 4. 3 1 जा 3. नाउ फर्स्ट रो मल्टीप्लाई विद द सेकेंड कॉलम. -4 +4 एंड -5. फाइनली. ठीक है. सेकेंड रो मल्टीप्लाई विद द फर्स्ट कॉलम. 3 0 एंड 3. देन सेकेंड रो मल्टीप्लाई विद द सेकेंड कॉलम. 4 3 जा 12. 0 into 2 2 5. So what is the last result between the b dash and a dash? Equal to 4 minus 3 will be equal of -7. -7 plus 1 equal to -6. 4 cancel by 4. Then -5. 3 plus 3 will be equal of 6 and -7. Equation number 4. By use of equation number first and fourth. First, -6 -5, -6 -5, 6 and -7, 6 and -7. That means by equation first and fourth we can write RHS are same, so LHS will be same. A dot b whole dash will be equivalent b dash dot a dash. Student, I recall the question. If demand of question, if a equal to this and b equal to this, then show that a dot b whole dash will be equal of b dash dot a dash. A equal to this, b equal to this, a dot b, that means a row multiply with the column. Then convert into the transform form. Row convert into the column. Now equation number first. B, here b is 1 3 2 0 -1 and 1. B dash, that means a row convert into column or column convert into row. A, similarly a dash. Now b dash multiply with the a dash. Multiplication operation is here. ठीक है. Required solution is there. By equation first and fourth. By equation first and fourth RHS are same. So we told may we write LHS will be equal. So LHS a dot b whole dash will be equal of b dash and a dash. I hope you getting the proper solution of the all questions of the exercise number 3.3. ठीक है. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube channel.